This is the northeast elevator of the Eagle Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is a 1080p 60 frames take. This is a 1950 Westinghouse elevator. So here we go. Here it comes. It's on 4. And here it is. Oh, wow. Westinghouse elevator. Let's go to 5. Westing doors are closed. Westing doors are closed. And here we go. This is traction. This will be the final ride because these elevators are game modernized by Coney to disc with Cass's 140 fixtures. Here are 5. Let's go out down the street. Instant Westing doors are closed. Fixtures, black buttons. Westinghouse from the 1950s. Here are the ground or / street level floor. Here we are, and that's it.